What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to discuss here in today's videos, what to expect here for tomorrow's trading for the quantum computing space, more so QUBT stock here tomorrow. As you all know, we do have a post-earnings release here for QUBT. Will we see a rally during the trading day? Stick around for my expectations. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out XHLD. This is one of those stocks that we did alert over in our Discord server for the entry price of 82 cents here today. As you guys can see here, with that price target being 90 cents plus, that was a mid-risk trade. And as you guys can see here, the stock ran as high throughout the aftermarket trading of $2.03 here, and that is what you call a home run play. And you too can get these alerts in real time. All you have to do is stop what you're doing, drop down in that description below, click that Discord link, and let the games begin. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, and that is XHLD. If we take a brief look and just check out yesterday's short sell analysis, as you guys can see here, it is extremely high. But with today's trading volume, expect for that total short volume to be even higher. This turnover ratio extremely high, which points to a lot of covering going on a high turnover. We take a brief look and just check out that large scale here for today. Those inflow numbers point to a lot of covering going on, ladies and gentlemen. Those block orders massive with that 534,000. Now, with this being a very low share float, only 2.5 million. It doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price here. So I do expect to see huge volatility here in XHLD here for tomorrow's trading. That short sale data for today's trading haven't came out just yet. It does come in around 10 p.m. Central Time, day in and day out here on Moomoo. Another reason why I suggest for you guys to switch over to the trading platform. But this thing is severely overbought, of course. If we take a brief look and just check out that day, we massively crossed that mid-Bollinger Band with that upper sitting here at that $1.84, which was reached and breached here in the aftermarket trading. Now, it seems as though that this thing does have a very great chance to see a gap up here in the pre-market trading. Now, if that does happen, I do expect for the stock to retrace from a pre-market high leading into the open, and I do expect for that open to see a positive reaction if the short sale data calls for it. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I will be updating you guys over in the Discord on the likelihood of the short cover wave to continue here for XHLD here tomorrow. And again, like I said before, if you don't want to miss out on home run plays like you see here today, make sure you get over to the Discord. The sign up link is in the description below. Last but not least, the quantum computing space. If we go and check out QBTS before we go look at QUBT, we'll go to this day chart. As you guys can see here, just 2 days ago, we did hit a all-time high here at that 1195. Like I told you guys before, expect to see a correction here in the space overall. But back to QUBT here really quickly. What is very interesting here for this stock is that post-market earnings release here tomorrow. Now, as you all know, we do not expect a major market beat here for QUBT here tomorrow. But if we do get a great earnings report, I don't expect to see a massive run off of that news due to how we've been seeing other stocks in the sector react to great earnings reports. But with that being said, as you guys can see here, we're still in that trading range here that we've been here these last 3 days of trading. We haven't broken yesterday's high or low, but today's volume did come at a drastic drop in comparison to what we did receive here Tuesday, at that totaling in at 87 million. A slowdown across the board here in the quantum computing space. And like I told you guys before, the sector as a whole did see a slight turnaround, but expect to see a short-term correction slash consolidation state. Now, if we go back to other stocks here in the sector, related stocks, and go to the quantum computing here, as you guys can see here, 5 up, 8 down. And if we go to the week change here, so you guys get a better understanding on that 5-day ranking, things are still up overall here in the sector as a whole. Now, primarily QBTS alongside QMCO and QUBT. I do feel as though that if we do see a turnaround in the sector, it's more than likely going to take place due to QUBT's post-market earnings. Now, like I said before, that's not likely to happen due to the fact that we haven't been seeing a positive reaction to great earnings reports here in the sector. But if that does happen, expect to see a well-around rally here for majority of the sector here Friday. Like I said before, this earnings report will come out here post-market, which will be after market close here tomorrow. So we should see a lot of volatility leading into the close here tomorrow as well. Price prediction for QUBT here tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. I do feel as though that if we do see a pre-earnings release rally here, we may actually see the stock regain those $9 levels with ease. Between $9.50 and $9.80 is a great trading range, which we could see leading into that earnings. And like I said before, don't expect to see a lot take place if we do get a positive earnings report here tomorrow. So like I said before, if you haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button, and may the gains be with you.